Top 5 must-have gear items for a successful gravel mountain bike ride. 1. A durable gravel bike with wider tires offers stability and grip on rough terrain. 2. A reliable helmet protects your head from potential falls and accidents. 3. Hydration pack keeps you refreshed and hands-free during long rides on gravel paths. 4. Multi-tool kit allows quick repairs and adjustments while on the trail. 5. Tubeless tires reduce punctures and improve ride comfort on rocky surfaces. Gear up right for your gravel ride and enjoy every adventurous mile.